Peace and blessings. Welcome to my channel. My name is Taj Yutsi and I'm a certified financial coach. I'm also the founder of True Financial Coaching, where our mission here is to educate, enlighten, and equip individuals with the financial literacy that is necessary in order to get off of the rat wheel. What is the rat wheel? The rat wheel is when one is constantly financing things that go down in value for them and up in value for the banks at the same time. As long as the rat is constantly moving and the wheel is constantly being powered. So when one is constantly financing depreciating objects, then they constantly stay on that cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. It is our mission here at True Financial to help you to invest in yourself, so that way you can be free to do the things that you want to do when you want to do them, instead of having to do the things that you don't want to do. Today, I'm in Sydney, Australia. Been over here for 2 weeks now. Started off in New Zealand, in Auckland. Now we're in Sydney, Australia, doing some work for the church. And I've really been enjoying myself over here. It's been a great blessing to meet the different brothers and sisters throughout Auckland, New Zealand, and now in Australia. But I just wanted to come on this video to just say thank you to everyone for your support of my channel for this year. This will probably be the last video I do for this year, 2024, God willing. But I just wanted to come on and say thank you to everyone for supporting my channel throughout the 2024. It has been a bittersweet year for me. A lot of things happened in my personal life for the good. A lot of things, happened that were unexpected. The death of my mother, but again, I'm just thankful for everyone's support, your encouraging words. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for just watching my videos, and for those that have reached out to me through the website, thetruefincoaching.com, and have scheduled consultations and have trusted me to help you on your journey. Really appreciative of that. Being over here in Auckland, New Zealand last week, it was a very encouraging trip spiritually and also naturally. Some people that I met in the church, they came up to me and said they were thankful for the work that I'm doing with the True Financial Coaching. And they even mentioned to me how through watching my videos that it really motivated them and inspired them to get off that rat wheel. Talked to one couple in particular, a young couple, and they were just sharing with me how through watching my videos and following the information that I've been providing, that they were able to eliminate 2 debts and they have 1 more debt to go, and that was very encouraging to hear that, because I'm just out here just sharing information with individuals and seeing that all the way on the other side of the world, that the information that I'm sharing is helping people. It was a great blessing, and it helps me to see that I'm going in the right direction. Like I said in the previous video, oftentimes we allow fear to paralyze us and keep us from pursuing that passion that is really within us. We allow fear of not having a job, of wondering where the money is going to come from. And again, as I often say, I'm not saying like quit your job right now and then, like today, but like I said, just make a plan that you can make that escape from the 9-to-5 program if that's what you choose to do. But fear is oftentimes, it cripples individuals from pursuing that passion, and to see that people from a whole nother country has been applying what I've been sharing over my videos and seeing how it's been changing their lives. Again, it just shows me I'm going in the right direction and overcoming that hurdle of what am I going to do after working with the public school system for 25 years, overcoming that hurdle of how will provisions be made and those things like that that will cripple many people from following their passion. By the grace of God, I was able to overcome that. And I just believe that this is just the beginning. As I said, I still have 5 months to go of schooling, of working with the school district of Philadelphia. But after that, I can put full time into my coaching services, into my content creation, into the work of the Lord. And this is what I mean about once you get off that rat wheel, you're free to do what you want when you want, instead of having to do the things that you don't want. And these past 2 weeks that I've been, about a week and a half now that I've been over here, still have about 5 more days to go over here. It's been such an awesome experience, and it's just a prelude of what's to come for me come June of 2025, when I finally done working with the school district of Philadelphia. As I said before, debt is the colorblind slave master. It doesn't care what your language is, what your nationality is, what country you're from. Only color it's concerned about is green. Another couple from New Zealand, they shared with me how they, through the video, my sabbatical, my final sabbatical update video, which again, I'm thankful for everyone that really watched that video and supported me from that video, because that was like the video that was like the catalyst or the springboard, so to speak, for me to grow my channel. But he was saying, the young brother was saying how he was so inspired by that. And he was so inspired, he said he felt like quitting his job right away. But like I said in these videos, you make sure you have a plan to escape. But he said he's going to do 1 more year of teaching, and he's going to go full time into his business. And this is what I'm talking about. We position ourselves where we can really follow that passion, that drive that's within us to do those things that we really want to do. You create that plan and be patient and be consistent, then you can ultimately achieve that goal. And like I said, that's what I did. It took me 5 years, really less than that, really 4 years, because my sabbatical, I took that in, started that in 2023. So from 2019 to 2023, 4 years of sacrifice, 4 years of consistency, 4 years of faith in that area, 4 years of just putting in the work. And like I said before, I'm experienced the fruits of my labor, and you can do that too. You can do that too. You know, the couple, both couples that I talked to, they're so thankful. They were so thankful, and this is on the other side of the world. And some other people I talked to, older, and it's not, that doesn't care about age. One elderly mother, she said that she loved my videos, she watched them, and she wished she had known this back then. And she's in New Zealand, in Auckland, New Zealand. And it just also shows me that, you know, why aren't the schools sharing this basic, simple information? Simple information. Why isn't this being taught in the schools? Why isn't financial literacy being taught in the schools where we can make better choices? We learn about everything else in the public school system, but when it comes to managing the finances, that's something that's not taught. So, but again, I'm thankful for everyone's support. I'm thankful for the love you showed, the comments. I'm thankful for the likes, the sharing of the videos. And I try to keep up with the comments. It's hard. I'm try to keep up with, you know, at least giving a heart, you know, or saying thank you. And I've been seeing some beautiful comments, things that are very encouraging to me. They're very encouraging to me. And, you know, people comment and they say how, you know, they love my videos and it's inspiring to them. But I want to say that your comments are inspiring me to continue doing this, and knowing that what I'm doing is not in vain. The videos that I'm making is not in vain. I try to do a combination of educational and inspirational, because I know with YouTube really has two genres of videos. That's entertainment and educational. I guess inspirational also, but I'm more so the educational, the inspirational. I'm not here to entertain anyone. I'm just here to share my experiences, share some knowledge. But I thank you for, again, your support. One comment that somebody said a while ago that it's been sticking with me a lot is that how a job pays you a salary as a bribe for you to forget your dreams. And I thought that was a powerful statement, because, like I said, a powerful quote that somebody put in the comments section, and I really thought it was nice, good quote, because, like I said, many of us have that something within us that we would do for free, that wouldn't even feel like work. But the jobs, they, because of the decisions we make, we lean on a job, dependent upon a job. And as a result, we push our dreams to the back burner. And it's so true. It's so true. I mean, like I said, I talk to many people on the job, and just coming across people I come across. One person I work with loves taking pictures and things of that nature. She's a beautiful lady too. She take pictures. She showed me some pictures, and she really does a good job, and she really loves that. She's passionate about, but she said that's down the line. And I understand. Again, I understand. You have to do what you have to do in order to get to where you want. But as I often say, it doesn't take 30, 35 years, 40 years of work and then retire to enjoy life. It doesn't take that long. It doesn't take that long. If you do everything the right way, if you want to, again, some people love their jobs, but for those that tired of their jobs and want change and want to pursue that passion, it doesn't take a lot of time. It doesn't take a lot of time. 10 years, if that, 10 years, if that. But again, I'm thankful to have this opportunity to create this content, and I never would have thought that I'll be doing this. Never thought I'll be doing this. It's a blessing. It's funny, years ago I thought about doing a YouTube channel, but it wasn't time. But now, it's time. Now is the time, and I'm thankful for it. So again, thank you for everyone that subscribed. I may not come on again for the rest of 2024. I may not, I don't know, we'll see. But I'm going to enjoy the rest of this trip. I want to thank my pastor for allowing me this opportunity to come over here and experience just freedom. Experience this beautiful world that we live in. And again, like I said, doesn't matter what part of the world you're in. When you take control of your finances and get your financial house in order, then there are no limits. There are no limits. You can do what you want, when you want, instead of having to do the things that you don't want. So once again, thank you to everyone for your support. If you're ready to invest in yourself and get off the rat wheel, come see me at truefincoaching.com. Schedule your consultation. We can help you to begin that journey to achieving financial freedom, financial peace, so that you can do the things that you want to do when you want to do it, instead of having to do the things that you won't want to do. Peace and blessings.